Today we have a green smoky eye tutorial that I'm going to share with you. It's using the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's one of the things that has been trending lately, so I thought I would share a look with you. First, we're priming our eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Primer. And we're just setting that with a cream color, and I have the Kathleen palettes nearby, so I'm using that because the Jaclyn Hill palette does not have a matte finish cream color, and that was just the closest thing nearby. Let's get started. First, we're taking the third color in the Jaclyn Hill palette, just a light tan shade, and we're going to use this as our transition shade. So we're just putting that in the crease and above the crease a bit. Back over it to build it up a little more, just to give it a little more color. And then we're also going to use as a transition the mustard shade in the palette. And I'm just putting that a little lower than we put that light tan shade. So this one's going more directly into the crease, whereas the lighter tan was more above the crease and a little into the crease as well. Just going back over that to blend it to our liking. Now we're going in with this matte deep hunter green shade or forest green shade, and we're putting that directly in our crease and a little below it. And what I did is kind of did a packing motion at first to avoid getting it everywhere, and then went back in and blended. So just blend until it looks how you want. This took me quite a while, so I did speed up the footage a bit. Just blending in windshield wiper motion until it looks how you want it to look. We're taking the shimmery green shade that's right beside the matte, and we're just packing that on using a flat shader brush. You do not even need to wet your brush for the metallics in this palette. They're really good, so you just pack them on how they are. You can wet them if you want more of a metallic finish, but I don't find the need to. Taking it on the inner portion of my eye just into the crease, because I do have a hooded eye and it will transfer there anyhow. So what I do is actually put some of the metallic shade on the first half of my eye and take it up into the crease, so that if it does transfer, it looks like it was meant to be there, rather than where you can tell it was an actual transfer. hunter green matte just a little more. And then I decided I wanted to deepen the outer V with some more of that hunter green matte shade. So that's what I'm doing here, just packing on a little more of that. And just blending that out a bit as well. And then I'm going to go finish the rest of my face makeup, and I'll be right back. Now we're going to take the hunter green matte shade and on a eyeliner brush just put a little bit on the outer corner of the eye. Just the very outer edge to meet up with the top. I don't take the dark shade all across because it will close your eye. Then I'm buffing that mustard shade all along the bottom, even underneath where we put that matte hunter green shade. And I apologize, this is something I get very close to my mirror when I'm doing, so I'm kind of out of the camera here. Just blending back and forth till it looks how you want. Gotta love those faces. Then I'm taking my Prosecco Pop by Becca Cosmetics, and that's what I'm using to highlight the inner corner of my eye. And I do take that onto the lid just a tiny bit on top of the hunter green on the very inner corner. It's not too far over. Then a clean blending brush and just go over all the edges. So there's nothing at all on this brush, I'm just using it to go over everything. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. I thought it would be great to put out just in time for St. Patrick's Day. If there's any other looks you would like me to do, let me know in the comments below. Please hit like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.